Okay, we are going to talk about the compensation plan. So Young Living's compensation plan is broken down. You can view it in your virtual office under member resources, and it's broken down into kind of three major parts, okay? So the first part is on the red page called Creating a Foundation on that flyer. So go ahead and grab that so that you can see what we're referring to. But basically, there are 9 different ranks that you can achieve within Young Living, okay? So those start with Star. The second one is Senior Star. And the third one is Executive, okay? That's kind of your first tier of ranking. And in order to hit Star, you basically have to have $500 in your OGV. And what OGV is, again, is organizational group volume. Before you watch this video, make sure you watch the terminology video so that you understand. You also have to have your own PV of $100, and that goes for no matter what rank you are, okay? So your PV has to equal $100 whether you are ranking Star or Royal Crown Diamond. PV is your own order, your own product value for the month. You can collect, maybe a few orders from family or friends if they would like to try a lavender or try a peppermint and add that to your order. Give them the wholesale cost if you would like to do that, just so you're not spending that $100 all on your own. But I definitely encourage you to be using oils and buying and trying new ones so that you can really feel confident in sharing them with other people. Again, and so that $100 is also a tax write-off, so you can use that at the end of the year because it is a required expense in order to receive a paycheck. So $500 in your OGV, that's your order or anyone's order underneath you. Once you hit Star, you get paid on the people under you down to level 3. So you've got your level 1s that are directly under you, and then you've got your level 2s, and then you've got your level 3s. So that will basically be explained in the stacking video if you watch that. But when you first enroll someone, they are right under you unless you move them. And if you move them, you can move them under someone else under you to where you ultimately will want to have 6 legs. And so you start with basically 2 legs. I encourage you to start with all 6 and then just see who grows first. But in order to hit the first ranks, you have to have 2, and then it goes to 3, 4, 5, and 6, okay? So this $500 OGV will get you to Star, and I'm going to explain how much you can earn a range with hitting Star at the end, okay? Senior Star is $2,000 in your OGV, okay? And that, again, includes your order, anyone that you enroll, anyone that they enroll, anyone in your OGV. Once you hit Senior Star, you now get paid down to level 4s. So as a member, that if you spend $100 a month as a member, even if you're not at 500 OGV, you just put your order in and maybe you have a few other people under you, you still earn 8% on your level 1s, 5% on your level 2. As a Star, you now also earn 4% on level 3. As Senior Star, you earn 4% on level 4, okay? Also, to hit Executive, that's the third one. Executive is $4,000 in your OGV, but now you have to do 2 legs at $1,000 each, okay? So this changes a little bit from Senior Star, because at Senior Star you don't have to have as any legs going at any certain rate, but to hit Executive you have to have 2 of your legs, so 2 of the people that you enroll or someone above you enrolls and sticks there. Their whole OGV, each one of them, has to be $1,000 each, okay? So what does this mean once you hit Executive? Executive is awesome because you can now call the Executive Leadership line, which is a special leadership line that you can only call once you hit Executive to get special help with the leadership side of Young Living. You can also pre-order kits, some starter kits, and sell them out at your classes. And there's a document on leadership under the files tab about that. And once you hit executive, you have 6 months to hit silver, okay? So once you hit executive, you can't ever drop down below executive if you want to hit silver in 6 months and earn the Aroma Complete. The Aroma Complete is $2,000 worth of free oils. You might have seen some people on Leadership posting that, but basically that is a huge oil collection that you can earn if you hit silver within 6 months of hitting executive. But you can't drop down below executive once you hit it, okay? At executive, you now earn down to level 5s as well. So you're earning 8%, 5%, 4, and 4, okay? So that's basically the first kind of tier of what you can earn and how you can do that. They have Rising Star Team bonuses, which if you have $300 in your OGV of your first 3 legs, and that each of those people have $100 order, then you can earn a share. Right now, shares around $145, $150. That gets tacked onto your paycheck. You also earn 25% on anyone that you enroll for their first 3 months orders. That's where those welcome bags come in handy, because if someone gets a welcome bag right when they enroll, then they know how to use their oils. They are more likely to purchase on months 2 and 3 because they actually know what to do, and it doesn't take them 3, 4, or 5 months to kind of figure it out and start reordering. So again, welcome bags, that's not the purpose of them, but from a leadership and business standpoint, it definitely can help you to earn that 25% those second and third months. And then in addition to that, you earn $25 for any person you enroll, no matter what rank you are. And you also earn 10% on anyone that your enrollee enrolls for that new person's first 3 months. Okay, so if I enroll, Kayla, and Kayla enrolls Brianna, and that was 2 years after I enrolled Kayla, it doesn't matter because I still earn 10% on Brianna's first 3 months orders. Okay. So that's a few ways that you can earn at these levels, all right? The best way to start earning income right off the bat is to enroll people. You've got to get people enrolled. Having classes, doing online classes and all kinds of things like that are going to help you get people enrolled right off the bat, and that's where you're going to earn most of your income until you hit silver. So watch the next video about the second part of the compensation plan to learn all about silver.